Yes, in this video, we'll be discussing about variables in Python. So, there are some rules while writing variables. First one is variable name must be starting with either a letter or an underscore. Okay. And remember, all the variable names are case sensitive. So if you consider a variable name called value written in lowercase is different from value written in uppercase. And also variable name value written with uppercase and lowercase letters. So all these three are different. Okay. And how do we assign a variable corresponding value? So let us suppose a is equal to 100. So a is a variable and you are assigning a value called 100 to a with the help of assignment operator. Okay. Next, consider variable names like x is equal to 5 and we are printing value of x. So x value is obtained as 5. Okay. So for example, you can also assign an expression to a variable like y is equal to x plus 3, which means we already know value of x. X value is 5. So 5 plus 3 will become 8. Okay. Now when you print y, the value obtained is 8. Next, course is equal to, for example, we are assigning a string like some math course, MTH 337. Okay. Now we can print this particular course. Okay. The same thing will be displayed, whatever string that you have taken. Okay. Next, you can assign multiple values to store in multiple variables. Like, for example, when I write a comma b is equal to 2 comma 3. Okay. So we are trying to assign values to these multiple variables at the same time. So value of 2 will be copied into A and value of 3 will be copied into B. And when you print result, that is print A comma B, you will get result as 2, 3. Okay. Next, this is one way of swapping in Python. And this is the easiest way which you can perform swapping in a single statement, where value of B is copied into A and value of A will be copied into B. So this is how swapping happens. And when you print A, B values, initially A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Now after swapping, we are printing A, B values, they will be obtained as 3 and 2. And next, Z is equal to 3 and we are using the operator along with the addition operator. Okay. So addition and assignment together. What is this evaluated as? This will be evaluated as Z is equal to Z plus 2, which is nothing but 3 plus 2 value will become 5. And the output of 5 will be displayed. So similarly now, when value of Z becomes 5 like this, at this point, if you are performing Z is equal to Z minus 1, 5 minus 1 value will become 4. So the output when you print Z value, you will get 4. Okay. So similarly, you can also make use of assignment operator along with the other operators like multiplication, division, modulus operators. Okay. So if you observe the latest value of Z is equal to 4 and now performing Z is equal to Z into 3. So which is nothing but Z equal to Z into 3, value will be 4 into 3, which becomes 12. So you print Z value, you will get result as 12. Okay. Next, similarly, this can be expanded as Z is equal to Z divided by 2, which is nothing but 12 divided by 2, value will become 6. So the same value will be printed when you print Z. Next, the latest value of Z is 6, right? So this particular expression can be evaluated as Z is equal to Z mod 5, which is nothing but 6 mod 5. When you divide 6 with 5, remainder will be how much? 1. Okay. Like this. Thank you.